Happy Thanksgiving! I'm in Long Island now. This is where my grandparents live. This is where I like half grew up. So this house is very nostalgic to me. And it's pretty nice weather today, so we're just going to go to the playground with my little cousin. I'll introduce you guys to him also. Hi, Tita! Hi! Is the lighting good?
Yeah.
Hi, Zane!
Hi.
This is my little cousin, Zane. How old are you now?
10.
He's 10. He's a halfie like me too. Right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the garden. My grandma loves plants. This is her garden.
It's like a wild jungle.
Yes, it's a jungle in here. No, it looks better in the summer. Now the weather is not that great, so.
Over here, there's some little red trees.
Red trees. Matches your jacket.
Yeah. And then over here, there's a bonsai.
This
tree.
one?
It's a bonsai tree. You can get wires onto it and bend the branches any way you like. And then, after like a few months, the branches will stay in that position.
Wow, you're so smart, Zane. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to my dad. Here he is. Hi.
Hello!
So he rides this wheel thing.
It's an electric unicycle. Everybody should get one.
Yeah, you can follow him on, what is it, NYC?
NYC e-rider.
He posts a lot about like
A lot of our rides.
Yeah, rides and stuff. So
Yeah.
Go ahead, show them. And he's gone. The playground is locked.
That's not good.
Aww. I'm sad. Alright. Guess we have to go back home. We found another park. There it is. One, 2, 3, go!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Get your face in there.
Wait, hold on, Zane. Hold on.
He lost at Jenga, so his punishment is to
Oh no, no! I'm gonna stir it. Oh yeah.
drink turkey juice.
Oh, this is all oil. Like that, that's good, right?
Ew. Zane!
Oh, it's oily. That's all oil. That's good though.
Playing Among Us with the fam.
Alright, you're here.
Oh no! Wait, I was right!
Aw, man.
Family photos. So I'm teaching my little cousin how to sew. He's been interested in learning how. So today we're going to be making his curtain. Here's our fabric.
It's a space theme.
Here's the curtain.
Very nice, Ellie. Thank you.
Zane, you'll make the second one, right? Zane!
There we go.
Be good train, huh?
Goodbye! Safe travels! Bye, Grandma, Grandpa!
Bye.
Bye. So we're going back to the city. It's gonna take like 2 hours to get there, so see you guys later. Hi guys! So I'm back in New York City and There's the Rockefeller tree right behind me. They like decorated the tree yesterday, so today is the first day we're actually able to go and see it. It's pretty big. I'm in Times Square now. I rode here with my dad and his other rider friends. There's my dad.
Hi guys!
That's Thyri. Well, Thyri brought his like camera and his gimbal, and he's just filming my dad riding down Times Square right now. And he wants to film me as well on the scooter. I don't go fast at all, so I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out, but I'll put the clip that he filmed right over here.
Welcome. I'm Thyri. That's Ali. She's dyeing my hair. It's looking great now.
So we're done with the bleaching. Hey Thyri, time for the reveal.
Reveal time. Okay. Whoa!
Hey!
It looks kind of nice, you know?
It looks
I
good.
like it.
So this is the hair dye I'll be using today. It's the Wella Color Charm in the color red. The color looks a bit dark, so hopefully it doesn't come out too dark. Okay, second reveal.
Second reveal. Wait!
Oh!
It looks good.
Damn.
It's brighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, same.
This is good.
Okay, so I think we're diagnosing my dad with color blindness today because we're doing a test and he got like half of them wrong already. So what number do you see?
I don't know that one.
These are the test results. Deuteranopia, which is a type of color blindness.
It's low. It's low.
It's low, yeah.
But it's still there.
Yeah, but huh?
I'm sorry for your loss, man. We're sorry for your loss.
Today the plan is to go thrift shopping. I've been wanting to thrift shop for a long time now, and New York is honestly one of the best places to do it. So I'm currently in Union Square and there's a lot of thrift stores around this area. So let's go on ahead and get thrifting. I'm gonna have to voice over because I don't want to get copyright strike from the music in the stores. So the first stop was at the Cura thrift shop. This one was honestly my favorite thrift store. Wherever you look at, there's always something aesthetic to look at. The decor is amazing and there's a wide variety of vintage antiques. They also have 2 whole floors of clothing. So starting with the bottom floor, it was mostly jackets, t-shirts, and tops. They had an even wider selection on the main floor. They have a lot of unique vintage pieces, but one thing I have to say is that it's pretty pricey. Average price is around $30 to $70, and some dresses and jackets go all the way up to $300. So I find that this is more of a fun store to venture and look around in. I'll show you guys my favorite pieces from the store. First, I found this beautiful white maxi dress. It has so many vintage details and beautiful lace cuffs. Another one I liked was this pink dress, and it even had a little heart embroidered. This vintage blouse also caught my eye, but it was sadly $75, which is way out of my budget. And then I found the dress of my dreams. This has got to be the most beautiful vintage dress I've ever seen. It's just so pretty. I love the ruffle hem, the lace details, and the pattern, and the colors are just perfect. The only problem is that it was $200, no discount. But at least I got to try it on. I give this thrift store a 8 out of 10. Next, we went to the East Village Thrift. When I thrift, I try to look for patterns that I like. For example, this one has a nice floral. And then I check if they have some interesting details. Oh, actually this one's pretty cute. It has a frill neckline and a frill across the chest. think it might be a bit big though. Not much things interest me in this thrift store. It's a lot of plain looking clothes. Pricing wise is not bad though. It's around like $10 for everything. So yeah, because the selection isn't that great, I give it a 6 out of 10. The last thrift store I went is to Buffalo Exchange. And the cool thing about this store is that you can actually sell your own clothes here. I'd say the store is like an in-between of the Cure Thrift and the East Village Thrift. So it has a good variety of unique and funky pieces for a mid-range price, about $20 average. So I give Buffalo Exchange a 9 out of 10. I found this super cute dress and they actually had it in a size small, medium, and large, and I decided to get it. So today I am visiting the vessel at the Hudson Yards. It's this thing right over here. You need tickets to get inside, but they are free. And there's some little cute decorations all around. It's really, really cute out here. So I made it all the way to the top and it's so high. Oh my god, I kind of have a fear of heights and this is making me really anxious, but the view is incredible. I have a little shop I want to introduce to you guys. It's called Ali Mama and they have some of the most amazing cream puffs. They have really unique flavors and the one that I absolutely want to show you guys is the milk tea boba cream puff. So I have it with me right now and they're so sweet to also give me a free mochi donut as well. So here's the milk tea boba cream puff. So I'm just going to open this one and show you guys inside. So there's actual boba pearls inside the cream puff. So I'm just going to try it now. It's so good. Like the cream, it tastes like actual boba. It's honestly quite interesting, like how do you make that flavor? And the pearls are like tiny pearls and they're just so soft and so chewy, so yummy. I wish they had food like this in Montreal. And Montreal needs to be more creative with their food. And if you're in New York City, it's located in Chinatown. And make sure to go check them out because they have some really good cream puffs. And they also have like boba, drinks, tea, and mochi donuts. Yeah, make sure to support local businesses for this upcoming holidays. So today is my last day here in New York City. So the plan for today is to go to the Met Museum. I'm going with my tita. And there's also like a fashion exhibit. So we're going to go and visit there. What are they doing? Only in New York. So we got our Met tickets. For New York residents, it's actually like pay as much as you want. So we paid $1 for both of our tickets. Museum is so big, but it's closing soon. It's 4:45, it closes at 5. So I don't think we have time to go see everything, sadly. So I'm gonna introduce to you guys my favorite place here in New York City, which is St. Mark's. So it has some really good Asian restaurants and a lot of cute shops. So the restaurant we're going to today is called Kenka. It's a Japanese restaurant and usually it always has a really huge line, but because of COVID, it's more like reservation. So we're just waiting for them to call us and then we'll get to go in the restaurant. So I'm leaving New York today. I've been here for like about a month and a half and I found that this time was the first time I actually got to like actually experience New York. Usually I just always stay with my dad at his apartment. I'm the type to like just stay at home. I find like the New York lifestyle doesn't really suit me, but this time I actually explored New York on my own and I found like a lot of parts of New York that I actually like. I am feeling pretty homesick, so I'm really excited to be able to go back to Montreal and I'm excited to see my cat. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this New York vlog as well. If you haven't seen the part 1, I'll link it in my bio, so make sure to watch that as well. Go subscribe to my channel for more videos, and yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye!